Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn certain more things about Videoscribe. So first, I want to tell you how you can set a background on your Videoscribe video. So you need to click on this paintbrush. After clicking on this paintbrush, you can select any color you want, whatever color background you want. Say I want yellow color background. So I have selected this. Now you can see the background color is changed. After changing the background color, I want to add one image. Click on this image and here I am searching for the bat and I can add the image, any image I want. Say I want to add this image. Click on this image to make it small. Do it like this and drag and drop wherever you want to put this image and click on this set current camera position. And if you want to add the text, click on this text option. Here you can write anything like I have written Batman. Then after that, click on this OK button and you can increase the size, you can decrease the size, and click on this set camera to the current position. Now if I play this element, it will show like this, and if I want to play the complete video, it will draw this particular image and it will write this particular uh, Batman over here. So if I want to make certain changes in this, how I can do that? Double click on this element. Rather than drawing option, I want it to come through the move in. So click on this move in option. Now you can select the angle, from which angle you want the bat to come. So you can select the element and click on this option, and after doing that, click on play from the start, and here you can see it is moving. It is not drawing this bat, it is moving the bat. So also what we can do, double click on this. Rather than moving, we can do fade in. Fade in will not show the hand position. Click on this. Now you can play this, and here like this you can see the bat will come in fade in, and text will be written by the hand. Because text element I have not changed, I have simply keeping this as the hand draw moment. So like this you can use this feature. Again, click on this full color. You can change the colors from here. Animation you can do like 8 seconds is a much time, so I want to uh, keep it fade in the 4 seconds. So click on this 4 seconds, and after that lock this position and play. So in the 4 seconds this will come, and after that it will start writing this Batman thing. So like this you can change the movement of your particularly scenes.